everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Speak Up channel. Here is Alessandra from Find Your Way, and I'm super excited that you decided to click this link because that's the video which is going to explain you a little bit better what this mastermind is about. So first of all, I'm super excited because it's the first time that I run such event online, though last year during the assertiveness school we took 2 hours to actually look more into family assertiveness. I designed an exercise called the family table exercise, which has to do a lot with the story that you saw in the post today on Facebook, on my page. The reason why I designed it is that I saw an increasing wanting from my clients to know more about how can we be assertive with family, how can we actually answer to things which are, which are making our blood boil in a more assertive way, in a decisive manner. How can we actually be kind when a family member is not kind to us or doesn't feel kind to us? How can we actually improve our listening skills towards our family members and how they can improve their skills towards us? That's an entire world to cover. So what are we going to do in this online mastermind? It's actually the following. We meet at 10 a.m. Remember, only 12 spots, so then I can give you all the attention to you. We can use Zoom, we can divide you in the breakout rooms and work with you with practical exercise. At 10 a.m., we will start first with our communication with partners. Why do we do that? I have heard constantly, and this has happened to me too, that a lot of our communication with our family of origin affects and informs how we communicate to the partner, what we want to tell to the partner and what we don't say, and actually becomes a silent conflict. Here we are to speak up. There are no taboos and our needs and wants are important. We cover this topic for 2 hours, then we take a break, and then when we come back, we cover for 2 more hours with super powerful exercise and research science on the assertiveness with family members. We cover nonviolent communication with parents and in-laws. And especially if you are an expat, this is very important for you because, as expats, what can happen is that we never see our family, or we see our family not that often. I'm very excited, sorry. We see our family not that often, and when we see them, when we meet with them, there is just so many emotions, there are so many things that maybe we disagree, and it just explodes. It creates a huge misunderstanding, answers which are very defensive, violent in a way, and a lot of unsaid things that actually give us guilt, eat us inside, and they don't give us the right quietness and great time that we could have being on vacation with the family. We just feel regrets, we feel guilt, all these horrible emotions that, again, sometimes we will need to accept some parts of them, but we will see how we can do that. So, if you participate in this wonderful mastermind, you get a fantastic bonus. You get for free my assertiveness booklet, a booklet that you can use for assertive exercises for your self-esteem and confidence every day for the following weeks after the mastermind. And also a fantastic discount on coaching with me. But the most important thing is that this mastermind is now open, 12 spots limited, is 65 francs. You can pay with PayPal or by invoice. Register today or reach out to me if you have more questions about it. I will be super happy to answer. It's super exciting time. And always remember, stay assertive, also with family.